Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to create a realistic AI influencer, completely free. No paid tools, no complicated setup. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, we need a reference image. Go to Pinterest and search for Real Beauty Influencer. You'll see hundreds of high-quality images. Choose one that matches the influencer style you want and save it. Now head over to LoveArt AI. LoveArt gives 30 free credits every day, which is more than enough for this tutorial. Click the plus icon, select image generation, and upload the image you just downloaded. Choose Model Nano Banana Pro. Aspect ratio 3:4. Now paste the prompt provided in the description and hit generate. And just like that, your AI influencer image is ready. Save this image. Next, we'll give our influencer realistic motion, like dancing or lip syncing. Go back to Pinterest and save any short video you want to recreate. Copy the video link, paste it into any video downloader, and download the clip. Now we have our reference video. To match the outfit and pose, we need one frame from this video. Go to a frame extractor tool, upload the downloaded video, extract frame 1, and save that image. Now return to LoveArt AI. Upload 2 images, the extracted reference frame, the AI influencer image. In the prompt, type, Image 2 is dressed and posing like Image 1. Set the aspect ratio to 3:4. Hit Generate. Now your AI influencer is wearing the same outfit and pose as the reference video. Save this image. Now comes the final and most important step. Go to Kai API. Upload your AI influencer image. The reference video. Clear the prompt completely and click Run. Wait for the process to finish, then download the result. And here's the result. Your AI influencer now has realistic motion, natural expressions, the same movement as the reference video. It looks almost indistinguishable from a real person. And that's how you can create your own AI influencer from scratch. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to Rievron for more AI tutorials, and comment below what type of AI video you want me to cover next.